Hello everybody, I'm Sarah Godfrey and this week I'm going to be showing you how I've made some monoprints that I've taken directly from a piece of lino that I'd already cut. Lay down my paper, be careful not to apply any pressure because this paper being a lot thinner than last week I had to really work at making a print. This one should transfer the ink very easily onto this type of paper because it's so thin. And so wherever I draw the marks now with this pencil should transfer the image of the tree. Just drawing on. This is a very hard graphite stick, so the marks that I make should be very fine, as well as the marks that I'm drawing on here. The marks that have been cut away underneath in the lino will affect the lines that I'm drawing. It's going to be interesting, this is, to see what marks will be picked up. It's only what they say is an artist proof, almost like a test print. It will definitely be a one-off, it will be a monoprint, because these marks that I'm making will be one-offs that can't be reproduced. If I was printing this plate and burnishing all over the back equally, it would make a more traditional lino print that could be printed in an edition. But this will be a monoprint. I'm going to use my finger now to make some more like softer marks, maybe shadows underneath. I'll do some definite marks just to make sure. I'll take this off now and we'll just see what happens. Haha. Well, there's lots of marks and I do love my marks. It's very abstract, to say the least. I think I need to do another print. Do an edge on it like this. See if that works. The thing is, I'm drawing on the lines now, but the lines that I'm drawing on are probably the lines that actually I cut out when I was actually in the woods, so it might not make much sense. Anyway, I think like before I go too mad on this one, I think we'll lift it up and just see what I've got. It's going to be work in progress. Here we are. On the back of the paper I'm drawing the marks like in between the branches. We'll see how that works. Lift it up and see what happens. See what this looks like. Well, I like these marks up here. I like all those fine marks. This background, I think there's something coming there. Definitely something. Here we go again. I think I'm gradually learning. That's beginning to look a little bit more like a tree in the woods. So I've started to cut some shapes out of this image that I printed, and I'm going to roll up the ink again on this plate. Put a piece of paper over the top of that, burnish it really well, and we'll see. There we are. That can definitely be worked in. What I could do is, I can move this up a bit, take some of these bits off here, and these will have had marks print on them, and I can lay them in, fill in. I'm going to try and do some monoprinting on the back again, make it look a bit more like a tree. In my next video, I'll be inking up my lino as if it were an etching, pushing the ink into the marks rather than leaving it on the surface. I'll be printing it on an etching press. Some interesting marks to be made there. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe below. Bye! Happy printmaking!